It's Abdurrahman Yusuf and welcome in a new tutorial here doing 2D drawings using Rhino. This tutorial is for beginners, so I started with 2D and then we continue using Rhino for 3D. All right, so here this is a simple one. I have a huge circle here, which is its diameter is 117.5. That's the one here, and I have a symmetric or a mirrored part here. I can just draw the upper part and then mirror that on the other side. Okay, so I'm going to draw the upper part at first. I have here this one is going to be 28 and the bigger one is 117.5 or 0.6. I don't know. I think it's 0.5. Maybe it's 0.5, maybe it's 0.6. So I think it's 0.6. Okay. So I'm going to circle here. Origin 117.6. Okay, so is it the diameter or the circle? So I need to know that. So I go here to the dimensions, diameter. The diameter is 117.6. Okay, so I'm moving right. I also have here a circle. That circle is 16.8 and it's on angle 26.9. So I'm going to tap line here from 0, and I don't care about the length. I just need the angle here. It's 26.9. 26.9. Okay, and tap. So the circle in here is going to be moving on that line and tangent to the circle here. Okay, I also have a circle here. That one, its radius is 51.2. So I'm going to hit circle, enter, 0, and its radius is going to be 51.2. And then he told me that this circle is starts here and its diameter is 16.8. Circle starts here and its diameter is 16.8. All right. Okay, after that, there is another circle here, which is 16.8 in diameter also, and it's 98 apart from the other circle. So it's from here to here, circle, enter, 0, and also 16.8. And then I'm going to move that 98 divided by 2. All right. Okay, so there's also here another one which is 28. It's going to be circle. Its diameter is 28. And here its radius is 22. So the radius is going to be 22. All right. there is another circle here, which is 43.4, and it's away through 30.8 from the other. So I'm going to be 43.4 circle. Its radius is 43.4. Okay. That one. And then we're going to move it to the left side is negative 30.8 divided by 2. Like that. Okay, let's trim all of these. Need to trim all of these together. So line, enter 0, going to be like that. Okay, let's trim all of these. Trim. And here. Trim. Okay, and it also, that one is also trimmed. I have a circle here which is 0.7 in radius. So I'm going here, tangent, tangent, 0.7 radius, trim. Okay, that one. And also I have here, it's also the same, 0.7. Here, 0.7. If you can't see this, also trimmed. If I want to get it back, I can go to select that one, extend, okay, and pick that one, so it's extended. I have to trim this part and go to circle here. I'm going to turn off the center from the O snap. 0.7, right? And also here 0.7. There's also here. But it didn't work. It didn't work because 0.7 is a small distance. So here he told me that it's also 0.7 here, 0.7 here. The radius is 0.7. Okay, and also those trim, trim. Okay. And finally here is a line. And that one here is the radius. Let's trim that. Control Z. Let's join them together. And these trim Okay, and split this line using that one. So I have these to go to the fillet and select both of these. Here is 5 and then select both of these. Right. I think there is still here radius 5. Let's go to here, the tangent with 5 and trim these together. Then hit OK. That one with that one. With those. They are joined together. Okay. I'm going to delete that one, and this is also joined with that. Going to mirror the origin. Okay, and then I go to the perspective view, double click here, and pick the lower. And from the gumball here, I'm going to rotate that 180. And then move them in the center. Move center is here, and also center here. Let's take the trim that line and that line. Also trim that line and that one, and join them all together. Okay. Yeah, I finished my part, and I hope you guys like it.